Affirmations for beginners. If you're new to affirmations, you might be wondering, what exactly are they and how can they help you? Affirmations are simple yet powerful, positive statements you repeat to yourself to challenge negative thoughts and create a mindset shift. The idea is to train your brain to focus on what you want to bring into your life rather than dwelling on what you don't want. Some of the most successful people have used affirmations to shape their lives. Take Muhammad Ali, for example. He constantly affirmed, "I am the greatest," long before the world knew his name. That belief pushed him to train harder and fight stronger, ultimately living up to his words. Another great example is Oprah Winfrey, who has credited affirmations and visualization for helping her stay grounded and attract success throughout her career. The key to effective affirmations is to keep them positive, present, and personal. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed anymore," say, "I am calm, focused, and at peace." Notice how it shifts from something negative to something empowering. Here are some simple affirmations you can start with.
I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. Every day, I become more confident and at ease. I trust that everything in my life is unfolding perfectly.
When you say your affirmations, really feel the words. It's not just about repeating them robotically. Take a deep breath, say each affirmation slowly, and imagine how it would feel if that statement were already true. This is where the magic happens, when your thoughts and emotions start to align. Famous examples show us that the power of affirmations is real. Whether you're manifesting success like Ali or inner peace like Oprah, affirmations can reshape your mindset and help you achieve your goals. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on manifesting, mindfulness, and self-growth. Until next time, keep affirming, keep believing, and watch your world transform.